Namaste to all the viewers and a very warm welcome to our channel, The Outlier 73. And I'm Namita, Chartered Accountant. Well, today's very important piece of information is on the latest update on GST, that is a big change, implementation of new rule 59.6 on GST portal with effect from 1st September 2021. Well, there is an updation on GST portal regarding implementation of new rule, that is Rule 59.6. It is very important to note here that it is effective from 1st September 2021. Now let us try to understand as to what this rule speaks about. A registered person shall not be allowed, let me repeat, he shall not be allowed to file GSTR 1 if he has not furnished the return in form GSTR 3B for preceding 2 months. And in case of a registered person who is filing quarterly return, he will not be allowed to furnish GSTR 1. Let me repeat, he will not be allowed to furnish GSTR 1 if he has not furnished form GSTR 3B for preceding tax period. Now, on implementation of this rule, the system in GST portal will check automatically whether GSTR 3B has been filed for the previous 2 tax period in case of monthly filers, and in case of quarterly filers, it will automatically check whether GSTR 3B has been filed for the previous quarter. This check will operate on clicking the submit button of GSTR 1, and the system will throw an error message if the condition of Rule 59.6 is not fulfilled. Now, it is very important to understand that as the MNST scheme is still active till 31st August, let me repeat, as the MNST scheme is still active till 31st August, it is highly suggested to file GSTR 3B, especially for the period from November 2020 and afterwards, to ensure that there is no disruption in filing of GSTR 1 henceforth. Thank you, friends, for watching this video. I kindly request you to subscribe to this channel for the latest update on income tax and GST. And I also request you to share this video among your friends and click on the like button to keep us motivated.